Finally, you must install each of the assembled components onto the transmission body. Before you do this, however, you must select a spacer to use for adjusting the end play of the differential case. The proper procedure for selecting spacers has not changed. Now let's begin. Install the output shaft, input shaft, and shift fork assemblies together in this order. To install the reverse idler gear shaft, shift the third 4th speed synchronizer sleeve toward the 4th speed side. To install the transmission case, position the threaded hole of the reverse idler gear shaft so that it faces the direction and the reverse brake cone detente as shown. Install the oil guide, and expand the snap ring and place the transmission cape upside down. Let the snap ring fit into the groove by taking advantage of the weight of the output shaft. To install the reverse idler gear shaft bolts, use a screwdriver of 8 mm shaft diameter and center the bolt hole. Tighten the transmission case to the specified torque. The reverse shift poppet spring, blue arrow mark, and other poppet spring is different. Be sure to remember this when you remove this natural return spring. To install the new sealing cap, use this special tool and press fit the cap securely into position as shown. This concludes our explanation of the disassembly and reassembly procedure for F5M41 manual transmission.